बॉलीवुड लाइव के सारे दर्शकों को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट रसल डिसल्वा और आज मैं एक मल्टी स्टारर इंटरव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ। नेटफ्लिक्स का कॉल माय एजेंट वेब सीरीज़ जो कि बॉलीवुड से काफ़ी बॉलीवुड के अंदर की चीज़ें, बॉलीवुड की खुफिया बातें जो हम लोग सिर्फ सुनते हैं, जो हम लोग सिर्फ सोचते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ हम लोग के सामने शायद आएगा ये सीरीज़ में। और हमारे साथ है आज पूरा कास्ट, आहाना कुमरा, सोनी राजदान मैम, Ayush Mehra, and Radhika Seth. So we are going to be talking with them. We're going to have a fun segment. We're going to have a lot of gupshups. I hope you all are ready.
Yes.
Yes, we're ready.
Yes.
We'll obviously begin with Soni Razdan, ma'am. I have... Because
Why?
I'm telling you why. I've been a big fan of yours right from the time of Saransh, 36
Oh,
Chaurangi
thank
Lane,
you so much.
Trikal.
Do you know ma'am's first film?
I think it's 36
We just
Chaurangi
found
Lane.
out.
No, it's Ahista.
No.
Ahista.
Yeah, I thought so it
We
was
also
36
came to know now
Chaurangi Lane.
only. It's a
It's
problem.
okay. It's okay. They're just idiots.
नहीं लेकिन अच्छा ये information मिला because I was introduced to
We
your
gave you trivia.
Yes, that's I got a trivia. I was introduced to your films from my parents, ma'am. They were also fans. So this is all the work you have done. So many classic films, national awards. Also, they have been nominated for. You have basically seen it all, and now you're coming into this web series space. Is there anything different you're feeling, or is the experience completely the same?
No, it's completely different. Right from the kind of scripts one is getting, to the kind of roles one is getting, to the kind of exposure one is getting, and just the vibe, and I think just the professionalism that has crept into the industry in the last couple of years. So everything seems to have changed, going from here to there. So I feel now I could be working anywhere in the world actually today, but I'm working in Mumbai rather, and and so it's like a completely different industry today.
Anna, we have always spoken about this profession. Many times we have had this conversation, which Soni ma'am has mentioned about the professionalism, about how the industry has evolved over the past couple of years. And you have been one of the actresses who have been at the front and center of it with the kind of work you have done. Would you say Call My Agent is more of a fun thing as compared to some of the more serious work you have done in the past? It's more you got to relax, more chilled.
Oh, thank God. Yes, please. I mean, I think because I get so many dramatic roles. I get so many shows which are so heavy on drama and so serious. It's really nice to actually be on a set which was so much fun. And, trust me, and I speak for everybody out here that we didn't even come to know when we wrapped the show. It was such a breeze to shoot this show. Trust me, it was so chaotic. I have no idea how Shad managed to handle all of us hooligans. And I use the word hooligans here because it was a very noisy set. Imagine doing an interview with us. You can't get past scenes with us,
But who was the biggest hooligan?
Ahana.
I thought so.
Anna is the biggest.
No, because she's got wonderful energy,
Yeah.
and she's got a lot of energy.
Yes.
So that energy carries us also on the
Like if
steam of
Ahana
it.
has to come and we would know Ahana has come because 50 meters से दूर से Ahana की हंसी सुनाई देगी and Ahana will be like ha and Ahana's come.
It's like that gong आपकी movie सारांश में था, that gong was used. So that gong has been replaced, but Ahana is coming on the sets.
So I'm a gong.
Ahana's
Is
a
that gong your agent?
Gong.
No. Oh God, no.
वो sequel,
You're gong girl,
Gong,
not
gong,
gong
gong.
girl.
Gong.
Ayush, coming to you, a lot of stuff you have done on the web also. YouTube में आप काफी popular हो.
Yes.
Would you say this is two things? एक तो this is a completely different ball game, probably the really big launch into the mainstream, and secondly, because of the evolution that these two fine ladies have mentioned, probably because of that, you would say that now you all are getting those opportunities. पहले काफी शायद मिलता भी नहीं था.
For sure. Like I owe everything to the digital space. I've done a lot of YouTube sketches and I used to do ads before that as well. But the kind of recognition I got after doing YouTube sketches for channels, it was phenomenal. Then slowly on YouTube, I started doing web shows, which started getting more and more recognition for me. So this is, in terms of difference, there's not much difference because you put in the same effort over there as well. well. Like you're acting for a YouTube web show. You don't think that you're acting for a YouTube web show, you know. You're just acting for the role and you're doing the part well. So the same principle and ethics and core was used, but obviously this is really big. You know, getting to sit with Sony ma'am, Hana, Rajat sir, Radhika, all getting directed by Shad sir, you know, it's such a big it's such a big accomplishment only in a way. I don't know. So it feels big in that sense. None of them made me feel small, which was so beautiful. You know, they welcomed me. They sat with me. They chilled with me like they were my friends, and it was really one of the best shooting
Dude,
experiences.
you're a huge
1 minute.
star. What the hell?
1 minute.
Who feels
He
small?
was bossing
We feel
over us.
small.
He's just being very humble right now, but he's our boss.
So
yeah.
basically now he's doing a 360
Yeah. Full
Star,
party
bhai.
he's doing, and I'm like, hello.
I mean, like,
He was like the boss. He would tell Ayush would tell us, and we'd be like, okay, Ayush will do it.
अच्छा मतलब यहाँ पे आपका
मैं-
दूसरा चेहरा देखने में
कुछ भी ये लोग अभी टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, but
बात
genuinely.
करने में क्या जाता है?
हाँ यार, मैं
बिल्कुल,
अब मैं इंटरव्यू कर रहा था. I just want to be politically right.
No, I swear to God, they're really big superstars, and it's an honor to work with them. And it's my first show, and to work with such a beautiful cast and beautiful director, and on Netflix, so it cannot get better.
Let me say the feeling is mutual. I mean, haven't said this,
Sure.
but yes, I want to say that I just couldn't have wished for a better show and a better group of people to work with.
Yes.
And actually spoiled me for life, because after this, I want every show to be like this. And
Oh no.
it's a difficult one to kind of match up to.
After so many years, do you feel like you're making a kind of a debut again?
No, I've been working now for so many years.
No,
also.
because of the space I'm into.
Yeah, so I guess this is my first. No, it's not. I did Out of Love before this, but that was not this kind of role where I'm in in the series, like leading part in the series. So yeah, it's obviously
so
a first for me too. So, very excited.
We're all
Yeah.
debutants over here. We're all debutants.
Okay, Radhika, you have been pretty big influencers from what I've heard from on the social media space and all, and that influence. How much would you say that influence, that name in the social media space, has helped you back this show as in Call My Agent? How much it helped you back that character?
Honestly, I don't think a lot of people know this, but I wanted to act way before I became an influencer. Becoming an influencer was kind of incidental that happened, and I'm very happy and grateful that it happened, but that's not something I ever intentionally wished for. It's not like कि मैं वो बन गई और फिर मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा अब थोड़ा सा popularity मिल गया online, so let me now try acting. It was never like that. I moved from Delhi to Bombay to act. And I was always working towards that. And honestly, मुझे नहीं लगता that मेरे social media influencing ने बिल्कुल भी मुझे acting में in that sense help करा है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत time से try कर रही थी to get a role. And I just think it was one of those things that I had to kind of wait for the right thing, the right people, the right script, the right opportunity, and I found it, and I'm very happy with like this.
Would you say that because the evolution has come, which we were talking about since the past 2-3 years probably, because of that, आपको पहले थोड़ा सा social media influential zone में जाना पड़ा, because पहले role मिलना इतना आसान नहीं था, and as opposed to now in the past 2 years? शायद
Definitely. I think so many more opportunities have opened up now with so many different platforms, and with what they're doing. There's so much happening now. Pehle to it was one of those things that films were films and then everything else was TV, like like TV serials and all. So I definitely think now there's so many more opportunities that you can grab.
Okay, guys, and Sony ma'am, I guess cannot say guys when you also sitting.
Of course you can.
Of course you can.
Of course, I'm one of the guys.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much of the show while you all were shooting, how much you all would say has hit close to home instances which you all have shot, और आपको याद है अरे यार ये सेट में शायद मेरे साथ भी नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन शायद किसी और के साथ हुआ था या तो किसी बड़े स्टार के साथ हुआ था, and you all have gone through those tantrums. तो ये instances कब आप लोगों को आपने महसूस किया शो में? Beginning with you, Anna.
I think quite a lot, na? Like, I remember when I watched the French version of the show, I was like, oh my God, like, ये तो मतलब, it's like Bollywood, ये क्या France में बना रहे हैं? ये तो Bollywood में भी होता है. So it's really like funny because although the show is really funny, it's a humorous show, but it really talks about the most important things like women aging on screen and how like they are perceived. Age is such a huge number that plays in our lives. Then it talks about the lover stiffs. It talks about like actors fighting for the same parts, which I think is really like it's important to talk about these things. And जब मैंने ये show देखा था मैंने कहा यार मतलब this is the same story anywhere. It could be a French industry, it could be a Japanese industry, it could be like a Korean industry, it could be, and it's here right here in Bollywood.
अपने यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज्यादा
हाँ,
हो रहा
और
है
आप ये सोचे कि ये शो कितनी लैंग्वेजेस में बन रहा है. फ्रांस में बन चुका है, अभी हिंदी में बन रहा है. इसके बाद आई थिंक इट्स आल्सो देयर इज अ टर्किश वर्जन.
British,
There's a Turkish version,
Hollywood
there's a British
version
version
is also
to this. So this shows something like जहाँ पर एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री होगी वहाँ पर ये शो बनेगा. Because I think like an audience needs to reach out and needs to understand कि भाई this is like that whole glamour quotient is not our lives. There's so much more to making a celebrity, a star. You know, there's so much that goes into a making of it, and these are the lives of people who actually work behind. There's a force that works behind a big star or a celebrity. So I think it did really hit close to home. So I was like, yeah, this is amazing, and I would love to be a part of such a show which really talks about my work. I thank God क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये हो चुका है. जब मैं थिएटर करती थी, I used to go to like, I remember मैं बरेली गई थी और वहाँ पर मेरे पापा के कुछ दोस्त आए थे मुझसे चाय वाय पीने के लिए, and हम लोग सुबह नाश्ते के लिए आए थे क्योंकि शो शाम को होता है. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि आई मीट यू फॉर, मैं आपको चाय के लिए मिलता हूँ. मैंने कहा आ जाइए अंकल, मैं इस होटल में रुक रही हूँ, आप आ जाइए, हम लोग चाय पियेंगे. एंड आई रिमेंबर उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा तो बेटा तुम क्या करती हो. तो मैंने कहा अंकल मैं एक्टिंग करती हूँ. हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है लेकिन उसके अलावा क्या करती हो. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैंने उनको क्या बोलूँ. तो मेरे बगल में मेरा एक दोस्त है संजय डडीच, वो मेरे साथ थिएटर करता है. तो उसने बोला अंकल वो ना एक्चुअली एक जगह नौकरी करती है और वो ये ख़त्म करके फिर अपनी नौकरी करती है. तो उन्होंने बोला अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. तो फिर उनको समझ में आया. उन्होंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है नौकरी तो करती है ना लड़की.
समझाने
तो
के
आप
लिए
सब
बोला.
समझ गए. तो यू नो इट टुक मी आल्सो.
But that must have been a really long time back.
Yeah, it really took like it really did. It hit me very hard. I was like, अच्छा तो अगर जब तक मैं बड़ी स्टार ना बन जाऊं या मैं कोई मतलब टीवी सीरियल में ना दिखूं या कोई मैं ऐसी लेजिट चीज़ ना करूं जहां पर एक बड़ा पे चेक आता हो या मैं कहीं रिबन कटिंग के लिए नहीं जा रही हूं, तो मतलब मैं एक्टर नहीं हो सकती हूँ. थिएटर करके तो एक्टर नहीं बन सकते हैं. सो यू नो इट रियली डिड. सो आई वाज लाइक आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट देयर इज अ शो कमिंग आउट वेयर आई थिंक द रेस्ट ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक अच्छा तो इनके पीछे ये लोग भी काम करते हैं, इनके पास भी नौकरियां होती हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Ma'am, after like Ahana mentioned, it comes to the point where things are highlighted where people fight for roles or people get somebody else is getting a role and then some other bigger star gets a role. I'm sure through so many years this is something that you must have seen a lot. Any instance stuck out to you when when doing the show and something from your own past life, from your own experience stuck out?
I mean, I wouldn't say stuck out or something like that, but there's a lot that you can relate to. And what I basically love about the show is that it's humanizing actors. It's humanizing the people behind the faces. So, I mean, that is something which I think will be a huge connect for an audience. And of course, things like, if you're an actress and you've just had a baby, so that stress of trying to be slim again, or trying to actually in my day it was like today it's actually considered quite cool for an actor to have a baby and come to work. But in my time it was like how can you leave your child and come to work? And it was a bad thing to do.
I think it was like career khatam, right? For an
And it was
actress.
a bad thing to do.
Yeah.
You were not supposed to do that. So it was like I've suffered from so much guilt. I cannot tell you
Did your role suffer like when Alia came into the picture? Did you to find it difficult to get roles after that?
No, not at all. Not at all. I don't think that was an issue ever. Her career is her career, my career is my career. And it didn't have any connection as such that way. But yes, I gave up. I was actually trying to direct a film at that time. And because she was doing Student of the Year, so I put that on that whole year I gave up. I didn't work at all because I traveled with her all over for Student of the Year because she was only 17 years old. And actually me being me as a mom, I would have said, no, you go and you be fine. You'll be okay. But I think the people who are making the movie, they wanted me to be there because they were worried ki kuch ho jaye because she's so young.
Yeah.
So let your mom be with you type of thing. So that was also nice because I think that was the last time I got to spend a lot of time with her, because once that movie released, I never saw my daughter much again, like those were like a very reminiscent time for me, and it was a wonderful time actually.
Ayush, Radhika, if you all could bring a kind of a younger perspective into this, something that stood out from something that you all have seen as a YouTube sensation, as a social media sensation, and something that stood out while doing the shows. Probably any of those instances?
There are a lot of factors which I can't put it in perspective, but like phobias, like a lot of people have a lot of phobias, like random phobias. Some people are scared of dogs.
Really?
I had a dog, so I don't understand that fear because yaar, how can you be scared of a dog? Like
I know.
dogs are supposed to be so cute. How are you scared of
Yeah.
dog? But as agents, when you have to manage that can put you in a tough spot. You know, some people are scared of water, and if it's a film about swimming, then hello, like
यार
you-
एजेंट्स के लिए भी अवार्ड्स होना चाहिए मेरे को
हाँ
लगता है।
exactly
Yeah,
Agents के लिए भी award
Best
होना
agent
ही
award.
चाहिए
हाँ.
because firstly you have to convince the actor to do it, and then if
You have to
he's
manage
not,
it.
yeah, and if he's not budging, then you have to convince the producer to change it. If he's not
नहीं
budging,
करना चाहिए ये.
और दोनों अगर कन्विंस नहीं हो तो तुम ही फायर हो.
सोचो कितने वैकी अवार्ड्स होते थे।
Exactly.
I think the
Categories
most
कितने
common
wacky
of this
होते थे।
is a kissing scene or something like that, or a bed scene. You know,
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
okay,
for
like
sure, for
no,
sure.
नहीं करेगा. I mean, I was quite shocked. If there was an actor who would just not kiss on screen. So I'm like, but why not? I mean, I would have thought a woman would be more, this thing.
Yeah.
But this was an actor who just refused. No, I don't do it. So I'm like, oh wow, even actors don't.
Yeah,
even
yeah.
and
I
whatever
guess,
reason,
yeah.
but it's like that.
But there's a behind the scene thing. Surya, the South actor, he uses a white transparent sheet whenever he has to kiss his heroine. There's the video of that also.
What? Really?
Yes, and in the CGI, they just erased that white, that transparent sheet.
What do you like? I know Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth doesn't kiss any actors
Really?
anymore. He kisses his wife. So the wife has to dress in that costume and come, and he'll kiss the wife, and that's
They'll
that-
move it in post?
Yeah.
What?
Chris
I didn't know
Hemsworth
this.
always does.
Really?
Yes.
Means,
That's why they have so
some
many
actresses
children.
may be really disappointed. They're like, okay, Chris Hemsworth.
They're
is
working with
but
Chris
go-
Hemsworth.
Yeah, gotta go to him.
Oh, no.
That one thing that could go down my resume.
Radhika.
Yeah, I guess what Sony ma'am said, it just kind of makes you realize how human everyone is in their own way. Because when you see something from far, when you see someone from far, you just think it's all the glitz and the glam and everything's perfect. When they show up, everything was perfect. They were born looking like this, and they showed up with so much energy. They went back, and there's no other bad thing that could happen. But there's so much that goes on behind. There's so much that goes on to making something happen or making someone's life look that easy. I think that's been my biggest
Except
learning.
Ahana, she actually has that much energy.